Alright guys, we're back down at the range today, and I have a Taurus Public Defender Poly. Shoots 45 long Colt and 410 shotgun shells. They're only the 2.5 inch long though. 5-shot revolver. But what I'm going to do is test out just some 45 Colt cowboy action loads, 200 grain lead round nose bullet. But then I'm going to test a couple shotgun shells and see what for kind of pattern we get out at about 7 yards on paper. So stick around and see. Oh, and I got a couple upcoming videos. I'm going to do the Caltech PMR 30 and maybe 2 1911s. So hit that subscribe button if you want to see some of those. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, I got the target set up here. It's 7 yards away. First up is the 45 long Colt, 200 grain, soft lead nose. Alright, that's not too bad. That was a double action, 7 yards, 5 shots. I'm going to put a fresh shoot and see over top of this, which is a 6-inch diameter, and I'll be back. Alright guys, we have the 410 2.5 inch 8-shot. These are like for sporting clays out of a rifle, but I'm going to shoot them at this target, 7 yards, and we'll see what happens. I'm going to move my GoPro back just a little bit because I don't know how far away. I don't know how far the spread's going to be. Yeah. If you look at that, it's all over that paper. There's just a couple in the 6-inch center. Definitely worthless unless you're trying to shoot a snake very close to you. Alright, up next is Winchester SXZ 410 handgun. It is a triple-aught buckshot, 3 pellets. 2.5 inch, of course, that's all it shoots. Doesn't shoot the 3-inch. So I'm going to put one in. I got a fresh target downrange. I'm going to take the GoPro down. We're going to see what kind of a pattern this puts on paper at 7 yards. Alright, I'll be back. Here we go. 7 yards. Triple-aught buckshot, 3 pellet. Alright, well, none of them hit right in center, but this is a 6-inch diameter, so, you know, from here to here is only about 9 inches. Probably 9 inches. Alright, let's try one more of those. Alright, well, I don't know. Looks like we had, oh, okay, we had one hit here, one hit here, and one hit here. That's 7 yards, which is probably 10 inches. First shot was here and here. Second shot was this one, and this one. With the triple-aught buck 3 pellet. That's pretty good. Alright guys, what I have next is Winchester Defender. It has 3 plated discs and 12 plated BBs inside here. So we'll see what it does. I got a fresh target downrange. I'll go set the GoPro camera up down there. 7 yards. We'll see the pattern on this. Winchester Defender with the 3 discs and 12 copper plated BBs at 7 yards. Wow, now that packed a punch. We got your 3 discs here, and then all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think I counted this one twice, but 12, I think. Yep. Yeah, there's 3 copper plates hit pretty good. Let's try another shot, same target though. They hold the pattern pretty good. I mean, that's pretty consistent actually for, you know, a handgun, shotgun. Yeah, pretty good. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching. C&B experience. Thank you.